Okay, in this tutorial we're going to go ahead and upload an Excel file. So I have my Excel file that I have finished all of my graphing assignments, and I'm going to go ahead and save a copy, either with save as and download a copy, or even saving it into my documents folder, or my go ahead and save it into my OneDrive. Once I have it saved, and then I want to make sure I copy it. Do not copy in a link to Google file or a link to OneDrive. You want to make sure the actual file gets uploaded. So now I'm going to come into our classroom and go down to Safety and Graphing, Lab 1B Graphing, and then we see this new one that says Graphing Assignment. And I can go ahead and hit Start Attempt, and it says, would you like to upload it? Now I can upload a picture, I can upload PDF, I can upload Word, but I will be able to also upload Excel. It'll look funny, but I'll have the ability to download the original as I grade it. And so once I have what I want, I will just drag over the Excel and hit copy. Now make sure that it finishes before you copy it. Graphing 1B, and I'll just add something so I know it's mine. Make sure this conversion finishes before you hit submit. And it will probably look quite weird, but once it's done, I'll be able to submit it. Make sure that this finishes all the way. It is in fact running a little slow today. Now be careful if you try to submit multiple things. Don't bring hit one and then submit it and then bring the other. You need to bring them all over at once, or bring them and before you hit the submit, because if you hit submit, it'll count that as an attempt and won't let you add to it. You can also click and go to edit and delete if you need to start over and change your submission. Blackboard's really slow because everybody's trying to do all their last minute assignments. So last saved 10:48, so everybody wants to get their 11:49 stuff in. So if I'll go ahead and hit submit while it's still going, once I do that, I can edit, and I'll hit submit, and it gives me saying that was successful. And so this is just a little confirmation thing. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like on my submission. And it still has to go through the conversion, so I believe it was uploaded all right. But you'll notice here I can download the original file, and if I wanted to grade this, I could totally open it up and look at it as normal. Alright, so you'll see that multiple files will show up here on the top, and then I have the option to scroll through and download them as we go. Excellent. Thank you.